Hey guys, today I will show you the easiest process of making aloo chips. It tastes so good. You can store it for up to 1 year. Whenever your kids are eager to have it, just take it and fry it and give it to them. Instead of giving them outside chips, it's better to make at home healthily and give it to them. So for this, take half kg potatoes. You can take any potatoes of your choice. Now peel off the skin with the help of peeler as shown in the video. Now add these peeled potatoes directly into the water so that it will not become dark. So likewise you have to peel all the potatoes. Now take a potato slicer and slice them in the potato chips shape. But while slicing the potatoes, be careful because it is very sharp. Already I cut my thumb while slicing it, so my suggestion is be careful while slicing. Now wash the sliced potatoes 2 to 3 times until the water becomes clean. Here you can see the water is clean. Now boil these potatoes for 4 to 5 minutes on medium flame by adding very little salt. Here you can check the potatoes are cooked well. Now strain out all the water. Now spread these chips on cotton cloth. Here directly I am drying it under the sunlight. If you want, you can dry it under fan for 1 day and then just show the sunlight for 2 to 3 hours. Here you can see my potatoes chips are dried well. You can hear its sound. It become very crispy. Now heat the oil and fry them on high flame until it becomes crispy. Sprinkle the masalas of your choice and enjoy. If you like the video, don't forget to click on like button. Thank you. Thanks for watching.